Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check and show you about lot of cars, trucks, airplanes, cement mixer trucks, etc. So now let's check with me one by one. Okay everybody, my first interesting truck is an excavator. Okay, an excavator, but this one is a broken excavator. A broken excavator, it still shoot everybody. Now check the next one, another broken excavator. You can see. Okay, this one is another broken excavator. Hero Captain America. How about this? Shoot bus. Everybody, this one is a shoot bus. How about this one? Bulldozer. A shoot bulldozer. Mini monster truck. How about this? Cement mixer truck. Another cute cement mixer truck. Cement mixer truck. This one is also a broken cement mixer truck. Okay. How about this? Bulldozer. Mini bulldozer. A broken truck. This one is a broken truck. Road roller. How about this? Cars transporter. This one is a cute cars transporter. A broken cars transporter. How about this one? Super motorbike. This one is also a police super motorbike. Okay. Airplane. This one is a big airplane. Okay everybody, so now thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck.